Alright guys, we're going to take some injectors out of this Om603. This is my big turbo project. They're all leaking, so I'm going to pull them out and see what all's going on. Hopefully it's just the heat shield, which I got some more. And I got a new valve cover seal for the PCV hose. We'll video taking that out. It's harder than a rock. Let's see what we can get done here. I did the first one, it was pretty darn tight. That one's pretty loose, probably why it's leaking. Do the rest by hand so we don't hurt nothing. And this is what we got. You know, the normal plastic thing's crusty. Look how nasty that was. We'll set it over here where I will be disassembling it. And let's check out this hole, how nasty it is. That's what it looks like down in there. I'm only going to video this one because, I mean, it's the same thing for all the other ones, just a little further back. I'm going to try to clean this up real fast and then we'll video rebuilding it. All I'm going to do is take a rag on my screwdriver, wipe down in there, spray a little brake cleaner, and then pull the washer out and then clean it a little bit more. And then we'll get to rebuilding that injector. I got the hole cleaned up, put the new washer in. Here's the injector. I didn't video me loosening it up because it's pretty tight. I had to do it off camera. Got a lot of carbon buildup. Got some carbon buildup right there. Well, simply what I'm going to do is just take it apart and clean it a little bit. I don't have a pop-off tester, so I'm just going to send it. See what we can find out right here. I can tell you they're really nasty just by the way it's coming apart. 30 years of the same shield that keeps the dirt from falling down in there. I'd say these injectors never been replaced or took apart or anything. Alright, so you're going to have a shim up in there. It's going to tell your fuel when to pop off, how much pressure. This is just the simple components. You got your spring. And then you'll stick your pinky up in there, push that up. You're going to have your plunger and your needle in here. That's the cup. That little thing sticking off right there is your needle. There's the plunger. Right here's the needle that goes down in there. I'm not going to take none of that apart because I don't know much what I'm doing. I'm just going to spray it off a bit. Set that back down there. Spray this off. Get this, take that straw, soak that down a little bit, inside and out. Take this rag, go to this, see where it's clean right there, which how nasty this is. It's pretty nasty. That's where your fuel is from the motor. I wouldn't want that stuff down in my motor, I'll just tell you that. I'll stick a screwdriver, just kind of stuff this rag down in here. Get it down in there good and nice. Spray some, this is carburetor cleaner. Get it for $1.97 at Walmart. That's the inside. Still got a lot of crust in there on the threads, and we'll see what I can do with it. Give me 1 second. I got wire brush in the car I'm going to go grab. Alright, so what I did, I took this brush and I cleaned this out in here, cleaned it up real good. And then I took the rag and cleaned it out. It brought a lot of the rust out. I'm going to put it back together. That's your plunger. You don't want to lose none of this. Just going to kindly stick your pinky up in there and drop that down in there. Make sure everything goes together right. Let it get on down in there. You're going to put your spring in. And then we're going to put this on. I'm going to clean it up real fast though. You will be careful with it because there is a shim down in there. Just kind of give it a good old wipe up. And that's it. That's all that you do. Tighten it up, get it good and tight. I'm not sure of the torque specs or anything. Right there's yours. Where your tip is and everything. Get that good and clean, and yep, that's how you take an injector part and clean it. I would say rebuild, but it's not really a rebuild because I didn't use no new parts. Thank you and have a good day.